On the BERNINA L 850 serger, a 4-thread overlock will probably be the most common stitch that you use. That's using all 4 threads, 2 needles, an upper looper, and a lower looper. And when they're all together, it turns out at a beautiful stitch. You can use this on knit fabrics, you can use it on woven fabrics, but what I want to do is show you what each of the colors of thread are doing to create this actual seam. You can see that there's a yellow thread and a green thread that make up the 2 needle stitches, just like your sewing machine, just kind of parallel stitching all the way down. That outside needle is actually the stitch you see when you open up the fabric. So if you are matching thread, that outside needle is the one you want to put, say, a matching thread, cream or hot pink, whatever your fabric color is. Next, the upper looper is the blue that's going back and forth across the top. Next, as you flip it over, our lower looper is the red thread, or pink here, that's going back and forth on the back. Now you can kind of see that there's a straight line all the way down. When I'm looking to see if I have good looking tension, I'm actually looking at the back and looking for that straight line. If I have a straight line, then that means I have a secure seam. So if it's not straight, we need to check our threading, see if the needles need to be changed, or adjust a little bit of the tension just in case that opens up when you peek along the inside. Now the 2 loopers should meet somewhere along the edge, so that's the part that we really want to see a nice balanced stitch. And that's another reason to do your test stitching when you're first getting used to your serger with 4 different thread colors, because then you can see, is it the red one that's not looking good or the blue one, and then know where you can kind of start to adjust a little bit of the tensions.